I'm interviewing myself with some great questions about YouTube Kids. And I know you want to know, so we're going to answer them right here. So I've uncovered a lot of knowledge about YouTube Kids. And it all happened, said, I want to be on YouTube Kids with my professional movies that I make for teenagers in the Chicagoland area. So I did a ton of research, and guess what I found out? There's no submit button for YouTube Kids. Wah, wah, wah. But there are a lot of channels on YouTube Kids. How do we connect those two dots, Joanne? The answer is video optimization, specifically using YouTube SEO. If you're an expert in Google SEO, of course we use some of those same tactics. But there are some specialties around YouTube and the YouTube Kids app using the data that you program for your videos when you're optimizing them. I'm not talking about editing and lighting. I'm talking about uploading it to the YouTube dashboard. Those are the things you need to think about. You're welcome.